So it's the end of my day and I'm feeling a little bit creased, but I quickly wanted to show you how simple style can be and how inexpensive style can be. So these are very simple, high-waisted 3/4 pants, okay? So they stop above my ankles and they are super comfortable. Don't be scared about trying high-waisted. I have a bit of a belly, okay? I've shown you my belly plenty times on camera. And so what I want to do is I want to highlight the other parts of my body. So I'm highlighting here. I'm telling your eye to go here. And then I'm just wearing something quite structured. All I'm going to do is put on a little pair of, or what I've had on is a cute little pair of animal print flats. These ballet flats are part of your capsule wardrobe. So you've got a very simple, comfortable, practical, slightly fashionable outfit. Here are the flats. If you wanted to do, okay, so what I've got is some little bit of bling. Complot, my favorite bling brand on the planet is, you know, little bit of bling, hair and makeup simply done. If I want to doll it up, what I would do is I would take off my flats. I would put on, let's say I'm going out for just a casual dinner. I would put on some black wedges. I would change this for probably like a cute little black top or a fitted kind of body top, whatever that is. And I would just swap out my tote bag for a cute little blingy evening bag. All this is just something I've had for years and years and years. It just changes it up, okay? So some wedges, changes that up. You can keep a white top on if you want to, but a nice evening top, like maybe something with a bit of shimmer in. Put some red lips on and you're good to go, okay? So these are not capsule wardrobe, as in this is not a staple. This is not a building block of your wardrobe. This is from Walmart, okay? This is what, like, I don't know, $15 or something. I love Walmart. I love Walmart shopping, by the way. These are either H&M or Zara. I'm thinking these were H&M. I don't shop at H&M at all anymore. Find their stuff very hit and miss. I find Zara better quality. And then these are just a local little store here in South Africa. So when you've got your basic building blocks, you know, what goes with what in terms of color. You know that you've got short sleeve, spaghetti strap, long sleeve. You've got them in different colors, white, the gray, the navy, the black, the nudes, all of the staple colors. And then you branch out into hot pink. Then you branch out into floral, forest, organza, whatever it is that you love. Your flats as well. You've got your flat blacks and your flat nudes. Black can also be interchanged for navy as a staple. Then you swap it out for, okay, you don't swap it out, as in you add, well, I love a little bit of leopard print, so I'm going to do that. Or I want some emerald green flat shoes. Your wedges also, you have them in a nude staple color. And then you decide, okay, I want some black. Or maybe you want some, I don't know, purple and yellow wedges, whatever blows your hair back. But when it comes to dressing, it is like building a house. You have to spend time in your closet and put in the foundations, the building blocks to your closet, which includes some bracelets, some rings, some necklaces, and some earrings. I swap mine, I categorize mine into 3, silver, gold, and multicolor, so that if I'm wearing kind of like camel, nude, white, gold colors, and animal print, I'm going to go for gold jewelry. If I'm wearing very different things, maybe it's I don't know, red with nude. Red and nude, by the way, is great, also with gold. But then I'll decide, okay, well, if I'm wearing white and black, maybe I'll go silver, depending on what I'm doing and where I'm going. I have a watch that is gold and it's yellow and white gold. And then I have a white gold, very blingy fossil watch. And so if I want to keep it a little bit toned down and just mix the golds, the white and the yellow, I do that. So when it comes to your closet, you are in charge, okay? You have say over what stays and what goes. You have got to go here. And when you open this door and you take something out, you go, is it like, it's okay? Because if you keep the, then you're going to have a kind of like, meh kind of life. You want to take it out and say, oh, I love this. Then you're going to have a lovely day. Or I love these pants, which I only just recently got back into. I love these pants. They're superbly comfortable. They're high-waisted. You don't have to have a flat tummy to look good. You don't have to be in high heels to look good, although I love heels. You don't have to be a size 2 to look good, okay? You need to just understand your body. You need to have the building blocks in your closet. Then you need to learn how to do your hair and makeup. I'm growing mine out right now. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but we shall see. And then your staples, as in accessories. I put my sunglasses on top of my head often just to keep my hair out of my face as it grows out. And then you grab your clutch or your day bag or your tote bag and you're good to go. Don't overthink it, all right? Style is just a skill. And no one can tell you you can't wear that. As far as I'm concerned, if you want to wear your knee-high, orange and yellow checkered socks with a pair of cute little shorts and a white tee and your tennis shoes, and that blows your hair back, well, you go, girl, okay? If it makes you feel good, as long as you wear it confidently, you're going to walk in there and know that this is me. Unapologetically you. Yes, there are some trends that will help you in terms of colors and guidelines, but listen, don't worry about what everyone else is wearing. You be you, okay? She be she, and he be he, and all of that jazz. Don't look too much to the outside world. Don't be too conformed to what everyone else is wearing, because you will find that you are under peer pressure to dress down. Yes, that is the world we're living in. The pajama pandemic is over, but some people don't know that, and some people like the pajama pandemic. You don't wear a suit to bed, so don't wear your pajamas to work or elsewhere, okay? We all have those days. Man, I have those days, like a lot lately, where we're like, I just don't know. Like maybe it's a rough season for you as well. Don't dress according to how you feel, because if I did, oh my gosh, I'd be the Rocky Horror Picture Show every day. Dress to feel. All right, so yesterday I wore something that was softer and white anglaise and more feminine because I wanted to feel that way. I needed to feel that way. Today I'm walking around, I'm doing lots of things, taking my car in for a service, coming back, I'm working at home, I've got things to do, a couple of meetings, and so I want to be loose and casual and comfy, and it is hot out there, which I love. Keep it simple. What do you like? Look around you, get inspiration from around you and the fashion fads and the fashion mags, but don't be an it girl. Don't fall for the it bag. Don't fall for the fashion fads that last just, 6 weeks. Discover what you like. What are the colors that pull you in? What are the colors that you love? What are the colors that you don't love? And take it from there. The word of the day is play, and that's when you'll start having fun with fashion.